Hello everybody, my name is David Martinez and we're on the catamaran right here in the San Jacinto River, and we're chilling here, and we're joined by hello bud, what's your name?
Reverend Randall here, drinking it up on the catamaran.
Yeah. Jamming, hell yeah, that's why we wrote.
Jamming with my contraption here.
And we got the cocoon like a butterfly. That's how we do.
Like a butterfly. That's how we do, baby. With our Bud Light.
Some for the homies, some for the homies.
Some for the homies, hey, some for the homies. Even though I haven't got shit, I got something, but not my fishing pole.
And we got Tupac up in the front. Hell yeah, Tupacito.
We got Tupac and a dead fish. That's what he caught.
Morica, Morica.
Hey, we're in the fucking wild survivor version.
And that's how we roll here.
That's how we roll.
Texas.
That's how we roll in the wild.
Get some.
Fucking monster up in there, baby. Fucking monster. Get down, get down.
Woo!
Hey, don't forget, we gotta take a look at our vessels here, man. We came fucking sea cat.
We got the Hulk.
No, those are our emergency vessels. Of course, we got our communication.
Go ahead, loud and clear.
Loud and clear, we're on a catamaran about to board our vessel.
Shut up!
Brendan, shut up!
SOS, SOS, SOS.
Oh, shit!